I think it would be awesome to lose some flocks, but decoy our birds very, very tight today.
Really?
You know what I mean? Because yesterday's kill shots were kind of a wing. I want Philly. You know what I mean? Oh boy, that was a good one. I think you can pretty much hunt almost your whole life and not be able to compete with live geese. And the amount of birds that are here in the cold, in the snow, they're so hungry. So today we're hunting an edge. You got anywhere from 400 to 700 live geese feeding out in the middle of the field, and we could still pull them to the edge. Like I said, you can go your whole life and not be able to compete with that. And usually when the lunch line starts, it's like Joel said, off to breakfast and it's over. But today it was one of those special days. and don't know when you'll see it next time, but we'll sure remember today. So unbelievable hunt.